Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. One Great Studio says the acquisition of US-based firm High Voltage SEO will set it apart from other digital marketing agencies. The company, which had its initial public offer open today, is the first local IPO for 2023. One Great Studio is looking to raise just over $338 million on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The company's co-founder and CEO, Javane Brownie, says it's a digital-first marketing agency.
So our clients come to us to help them do a couple of things, right? Some of them want to influence how people perceive them, right? So how people think or feel about the brand, right? Some of them want to grow sales. Right? So marketing, when it's done great, the impact that it has is that it creates demand, right? And so great marketing leads to leads and sales.
The company acquired US-based search engine optimization firm High Voltage SEO. The deal was worth $2.25 million.
In September 22, we acquired the assets and operations of High Voltage SEO, right? What is SEO, right? For everybody, we've all used Google before. Right? And you've all searched on Google and you all get responses, right? When you search on Google, the results that show up, that's really what you call search results. And what SEO does is that it helps pages, web pages, place higher in search engines.
We are focusing on making sure that our positioning of that brand is clear. We're making sure that the integration of the team and how our operations will work to aid that team's growth is working well and is set up, as efficiently and effectively as possible.
Meanwhile, Senior Vice President in charge of investment banking at Barita, Therese Kettle, says there has been lots of traction since the IPO was announced.
One Great Studio Company Limited is going to be listing 338,627,439 shares on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, right? The cost per share is very affordable. It's $1 Jamaican per share. The minimum amount that persons need to apply for are 10,000 shares and increments of 1 share after that, right? So you can apply for 10,000 shares. You can apply for 1 additional share thereafter.
If successful, about $220 million of the funds will be used to pay down debt. The offer is expected to close on September 18. In addition to Barita Investments, JMB is also listed as a broker through which shares may be acquired. And Proven Wealth has also been added to the selling agents for the One Great Studio IPO. Now let's head to the foreign currency market. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.29. Now $116.13 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $194.86, while it's costing $171.94 for the euro. The JSE index declined by 3,340 points, while the junior market index lost 4 points. Among the 28 winners were ISP Finance Services, Epley 7.5% shares due 2024, Productive Business Solutions 10.5% perpetual cumulative redeemable shares, Main Event Entertainment and Lasco Distributors. The 50 losers were led by Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, JMB Group 7.25% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, Everything Fresh and MFS Capital Partners. 24 stocks closed trading today at the same price they opened the session. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.